Okay, so here's my classic cream ale that I brewed, gosh, a month or so ago, maybe 5 weeks ago. And it's frustrating because I followed a recipe online and maybe I just haven't had enough of cream ales before. I don't know what I did because to me it's weak. There's not a whole lot of flavor to it. Um, it's frustrating because I'm not sure if I did something wrong. Um, I'll drink them. It's drinkable. It ended up at like 4.1%. And I know cream ales are not like a heavy beer or a high alcohol content beer, but I just feel like it should have more flavor to it. Anyway, it's done. I'll drink it. I just get frustrated when I feel like something didn't turn out the way it should have. Anyway, cheers.